Hmm. Looks like we forgot to switch out our background here. Let me do that real quick. All right, we're good. Let's get started, guys. What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, financial advisor. Welcome to my channel. All right, what up, Brucey baby? What's up, dude?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Appreciate you as always. All right, so today is Monday, June 27th, 2022. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. So, welcome to the show, everyone. Hope everyone had a great weekend. Back to it. And just a reminder, I actually forgot, but July 4th is coming up. Independence Day next week. Next Monday, I believe. So, no show next Monday. So, we've been having some short weeks. Last week we had a 4-day week, and the next week we're going to have a 4-day week as well. So, regular week this week, Monday to Friday, and then no show on Monday next week, July 4th. Quick reminder. You had the right background up for me. Far out, haha. Alright, yeah, I did see, you did make some pretty good money. I saw your AMC, FDs. Saw your post there on Discord. So, congrats to you, Brucey. Very happy for you. And, not over yet, right? So, good luck. But yeah, don't be too greedy, you know? As I always say, don't be too greedy. Hit the sell button, secure the gains, lock in the profits. One time I blew up my hand in a fireworks accident, but spent a few weeks in a burn care unit. Kind of reminds me of, I don't know if you watch football, but there was this guy in the Giants, JPP, Jason Pierre-Paul. He was, like, so nasty on defense. But for some reason, he was playing with fireworks. Don't play with fireworks, guys, especially if you're a professional athlete. You got a lot to lose. So he blew up his hand, and he lost, like, his middle finger or something. He lost, like, 1 or 2 fingers. Good thing he's on defense, because he can still play. But he was out of the league for, like, 1 or 2 years, and, you know, it's not worth it. Don't play with fireworks, guys. And I think this NHL player got deleted by a fireworks accident as well. Last year or a year before that. He's pretty young guy, like 20 years old. So that stuff. But yeah, be careful, guys. Fireworks are fun, but be careful, especially when there's alcohol involved. What up, Swaros? What up, Low Roller? What up, Zach? People starting to come in now. Rusty Baby says, "Where is everyone?" Here they come. Here they come. Little late to the show, but appreciate everyone for being here. What's up, everyone?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks, everyone, for being here. Man, I wanted to get into that. I don't want to get flagged by YouTube here, so we got to use some code words. We'll call it baby deletion. Yeah. Man, I wanted to get into that baby deletion play, lol. Which one? Today we're going to talk about EVFM, which is related to a baby deletion play. Short squeezing here. So there was a few of them, a few stocks, a few biotech stocks that squeezed on baby deletion. But this one had like 3,000 mentions on StockTwits, EVFM, Evofem Biosciences. So we'll discuss that today. First and only. I heard Kroger guy got suspended from work on Friday. He will be back today. He lost his bike. He didn't get pay Thursday and Friday. He was selling water bottles in the intersection. Oh boy, it's a struggle, huh? Oh boy. So, why did he get suspended? I thought he got promoted. So now he's suspended, and now he's that hard on times. He has to go sell water bottles. He can go sell some other things too behind the Wendy's dumpster. Probably make some more money. But shout out to the Kroger guy. Go, but not really. Yeah, it wasn't too bad today. I guess tech was down in crypto, but yeah, today wasn't that bad at all. Still red though, so go give it the go. But are you surprised? Probably gonna have another year of this, another year of bear market. Cause on average, bear markets last about a year and a half, like 450 days. So we are half a year into this. So on average, we should be out of this in one more year. Time flies. But the cops warn him not to sell water bottles at intersections. Yeah, someone probably called the cops on him. They're being a Karen. He doesn't have a permit to sell these water bottles. And then soon he's gonna call racism, right? Is he white? I don't even know what he is. What up, PZ? What's up? Little baby deletion. EVFM. Isn't that the baby deletion play? It was one of the baby deletion plays. There was a few of them today. But this is one of them, EVFM. And this was the one that did make StockTwits, so we're going to discuss it today. But yeah, baby deletion is mooning today. Brucey Baby says he likes the baby deletion joke. Yeah, we got to keep it PG-13 here. Because, YouTube is listening. They're watching. And we're almost monetized here, so I don't want to get in trouble right now. We're right there. I got you, little roller. We'll get to that news. I got Burger King employees make it in the news. All right, we'll check it out. The Kroger guy got suspended working out of work. So he clocked in and then he didn't. I had people do that. When I used to work for Amazon, I had people clock it. They clocked in and went home. Like they're not going to get caught. People are dumb. Dogecoin pumping this weekend? Yeah, it was. It's like 7.5 cents, right? This weekend. Or right now. 7 something. So I did see that over the weekend. I don't know why, but not complaining. He is Hispanic. Okay. Got you. Yeah, surprised he didn't claim racism yet. Baby deletion equals new phrase edition of 2022. Yeah, that one's pretty good. Baby deletion. I just came up with that one on the spot, so I think that's a good one. I think that's gonna stick. I don't know how many times we're gonna use it, but yes. For now on, we're going to refer to the A word as baby deletion. All right, guys. So it looks like people starting to come in now. Appreciate everyone. Please smash the like button. And did I already say this? Today we're doing the show from Ramenistan. Ramenistan. Here we go. That is because all major indexes in the red, although it wasn't too bad. Only really the NASDAQ went down a lot, over 1%. I think crypto was down as well. So everything in the red, Ramenistan. But it wasn't too bad. Not too bad at all. The Dow Jones and the S&P slightly in the red. We'll see what's going on here. So yeah, looks like slightly bearish the bearish day, but nothing too out of the ordinary. Kind of to be expected. So not a great way to start the week, but we had a great week we had a great week last week. So maybe tomorrow we'll do a little better here. But yeah, not complaining too much. But Ramenistan today. And for everyone who came in late, reminder. No show on Monday, next Monday, because it is the 4th of July. So, happy Independence Day, everyone. So, short week last week, regular week this week, short week next week. Monday, no show. Brucey says, 8 people in chat, 5 likes, do the right thing. Yeah, shout out to you, Brucey. Yes, please, guys, if you haven't yet, please smash that like button. Appreciate everyone. And appreciate all the new subs over the weekend. Didn't get too many, but I think we're at 936 now subs. So slowly making it there. Hasn't been really too much stock news lately, so it's been a little bit on the slow side. And I did come out with the video late. Actually, I launched it this morning, so I should have did that on Saturday, really. And should have got more subs, but oh well. So yeah, despite the bear market and not too much news going on, channel's still going strong. So couldn't do without you guys. Appreciate everyone. And we will hit 1,000 very soon. So it's been a long journey. And we're just getting started here. So much thanks. He was pissed at work since he have to work 6 jobs in one person. He was expecting to work to clean toilet paper, computer, clean office, do truck pallet, and other. Yeah, I think you were telling me. Well, so, looks like he's gonna get a new job next week. Again, another one. Another job.
Another one. Another one.
Alright, guys, so appreciate everyone. Let's get started here. Oh, so, quick rundown. So, yeah, I don't have too much planned today. Not too much going on here. As always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. Today, I got 2 articles. One about Robinhood. That was mooting today. Robinhood and FTX, possible buyout. And an article about 3 Arrows Capital, which we've been covering for the past week, but we got an update on 3 Arrows. Not too much news. Today, we're going to analyze EVFM, the baby deletion play, as we've been calling it. Only one. A lot of honorable mentions, but charts. Actually, there wasn't like too many mentions on StockTwits, and there were a lot of honorable mentions. But these charts don't look too good. There was AMC, Mullen. AMC was number 1. There was Mullen. Pretty good price action there. We had Redbox. I think those two were pulling back, Mullen and Redbox. Let me check here. Because I was going to do AMC. Because that definitely would get the most views. But there's not much to talk about TA-wise. Oh, there's a Luna Classic. Terra Luna Classic. I don't know why that's up 32%. But that's number 3. And then EVFM's number 4. 3,500. So it has more than Mullen right now. But yeah. Honorable mentions AMC, Luna Classic, Mullen, Redbox, even DWAC. So yeah, we're just gonna do EVFM today. But honorable mentions AMC, Mullen, and Redbox. He's trying to get fired so he can get unemployment check. Yeah, but you can't get unemployment if you get fired. You have to get laid off. You can't straight up get fired, or else everyone would do that. So you can indirectly get fired and collect it, but you can't get fired and collect it. But yeah, that is certainly a loophole that a lot of people do. Get a job, laid off, unemployment, rinse and repeat. What up, Beelzebub? What's up? I'm a proud shareholder of AMC. Gotcha, dude. I am not, but I know a lot of the people in the community are. So shout out to the AMC apes. Fat gains today. So congrats to you guys. And yeah, it looks pretty strong in the short term. So rooting for you guys. I just created a baby deletion watch list. Help me fill the list there. Sure. There was a lot of pre-market movers. Forgot the names of a lot of them, but yeah, there was AFIB. These may not be all baby deletion, but a few of them are. There's AFIB, EVFM, this one, EPZM, NRSN, TENX. Let's switch the scene here. I'll take a closer look. But sure, we'll take a look at all the baby deletion plays today. A lot of them. All right, gotcha, Low Whirler. You mentioned AMC enough to put it in the title. Do it. Be that guy. What? Be the clickbait guy? Oh, I don't know. I try not to clickbait too much. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna put it in the title. It would get a lot of views, but I just don't feel right doing that. It's alright. We'll get enough views today. Poor guy, 852 subs. He's getting closer to monetize, too. Yeah, almost there. He's catching up to me. I was over 100 before, so he's catching me a little bit. But, yeah, hope he does well with his YouTube. Wish him the best, so maybe he won't have to work hard anymore. Alright, guys, let's get started here. So, 419, almost 420. So get ready to make a wish, guys. No, I'm just kidding. All right, let's do it. So I appreciate everyone for being here. Hope everyone had a great weekend. And yeah, let's get started this week. let's do it, guys. And before we begin, please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. Alright. Oh, gotta change that real quick. And boom. Alright. So, yeah, let's check out these baby deletion plays real quick. Alright, so it's not AFBI. That one is not one. EPZM is not one. There weren't as many as I thought. Yeah, not as many as I thought here. Alright, so there's this one, AGRX. So there's EVFM, AGRX, and DARE, DARE. So that's three of them here. EVFM, AGRX, and DARE. All baby deletion plays there. So I hope that helps you out a little bit, Swarley. Kyrie Irving going to Lakers this week? I don't think so. We'll see, though. Wouldn't surprise me. All right. Start on the green side. All right, guys, let's do it. Let me check YouTube real quick. Says 10 viewers, 6 likes. So appreciate all the viewers. A lot of people in here.
I appreciate you. You loyal.
Please smash that like button if you haven't yet. Much appreciated. Okay. All right, let's do it. So the Dow Jones down 0.2%. NASDAQ down 0.91%. And the S&P down 0.3%.
And it's gone.
So, yeah, all major indexes in the red. Kind of sucks, but this isn't too bad. Not too bad. Could have been a lot worse. Slightly bearish day today. VIX is down 1.03%, down 0.28 points. So we're at 27 VIX now, which still isn't that great. But, you know, we were in the mid-30s like last week. So we are coming down pretty fast. This needs to hold, you know, and not fluctuate anymore. But we're heading in the right direction. For now, at least. Wouldn't be surprised if we make lower lows. Alright, let's check out the watch list here. There goes Nike. What happened with Nike? Their earnings or something? Bull run confirmed? Is it going BitConnect or what? Nike. It's going up a little bit in the aftermarket here. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with Nike here, but it's running a little bit in the aftermarket to the upside. All right, let's check out the watch list. So, yeah, Robinhood, 14%. Got an article about this coming up very shortly. Take a look at that. Pulling back in the aftermarket here. Be a big day for Robinhood. Shout out to AMC, honorable mention. 13.3%. Major price action here today. But really not too much to talk about TAY. So we're not going to do it today. But yeah, number one stock AMC today. Big price action there. Congrats to the Apes. And its earnings after hours? It didn't say earnings there. So I guess it's good. We'll keep an eye on that. Clover's up. INDO. Novavax. Big drop off from there. Looks like oil's up. Exxon. Chevron. BitNile. BP. Yeah, IMPP. So, yeah, oil's up. CEI. And just some random stuff here. Alibaba. TD. Paramount, BlackBerry, Tilray. Fox, Marriott, Pfizer. Chipotle, Pepsi, Bank of America. Yeah, not much in the green here. Looks like oil, financials, China. Not even like some of China. Not much value. Value didn't move much. Mostly growth was moving. So, yeah, it looks like financials and oil really leading the way today. But not much on the green side. Let's switch to the red side here. Mentioned it again. AMC. Yeah, give myself the cloud. It's worth talking about. I want to talk about it, but I don't want to put out like subpar content. It's actually like everyone's talking about AMC, but there's not much to talk about for AMC, unfortunately. There was Top Gun Maverick. That's about it. Crypto Maniac. What's up? Don't think I've seen it here before, so welcome to the show. And the community. VRM squeeze coming. Not sure. We'll check it out real quick. I want to sell AMC calls. Do it, dude. Yeah, covered calls. Not sure what your cost basis is, but you know, I'm sure the IV is very fat, so you can make some pretty big premium selling AMC calls. So I'm all for it, dude. VRM. Vroom. Yeah, can't really say. I don't know what Ortex data or anything looks like. It looks like this had some good momentum in the past few days, but it is coming down. So I'm not going to go as far as to say squeeze. It is possible, though. And this is, you know, like literally the all-time low, yearly low, and it does look pretty bullish just longer term. Big cup and handle. Few gap downs here. So squeeze, I don't know. Possible, but regardless, it does look like a pretty good long play, squeeze or not. So I would personally look to long term hold this, and if it squeezes, then great. If not, whatever. So don't know if squeeze is coming, possible, but don't count on it. But either way, it does look bullish. So don't know if that answers your question, but it's my opinion there. All right, on the red side, not going to spend too much time here. So Redbox, honorable mention, down 13.5%. Gap did fill there. Coinbase down 11%. Big go there. XCLA giving back. A lot of gains. Mullen down 10%, honorable mention. Overstock, DWAC, Marathon, Wayfair, Riot, Palantir, Neo, MicroStrategy. Yeah, so crypto's down. Li Auto, Neo, GME. A lot of memes here. DraftKings, Ethereum, SoFi, Ocugen. Amazon had a pretty bad day. 2.8%. Looks like cruises are down. Wish, Firm, Xpeng, Airlines. I don't see too much value, though. Google's down 1.8%. Yeah, tech did go down the most. Yeah, Google down decent amount. Toyota, Nvidia, Disney, Microsoft, about 1%. Netflix, 1%. So not too bad. Yeah, here's all the value. below like 1%. Yeah, so honestly, it looks like growth got hit hard the most here. Value didn't go down too much, but for the most part, it did. Yeah, so it seems like a slightly bearish day, but things that really went down are growth and tech for the most part. So everyone got wrecked today, but boomers shouldn't have done too bad, and apes probably got hit pretty hard today, depending on which stocks you were in, which memes you were in. Some did really well, some did not. But yeah, overall, slightly bearish day. So sounds like you guys made some pretty decent money though. A lot of you guys in the community. So happy for you guys. Let's get on to some crypto now. While Mara at 6. Yeah, it used to be in, what, like 50? 80. Yeah, this has come down quite a way. And Riot, too, right? Riot used to be 46, now it's 5. Yeah, Megaga. And what about MicroStrategy? Used to be at 900, now it's at 200. Yeah, pretty nasty stuff. Well, that's crypto for you. Alright, 1 second. Let me pull up crypto. And please smash the like button, guys, if you haven't yet. Let me check YouTube real quick while I'm also pulling up crypto here. Oops. Says 9 viewers, 8 likes. So appreciate everyone. Please smash that like button if you haven't yet. Please and thank you.
I appreciate you.
MicroStrategy has all-time high at 1,300. Good. Yeah, that's pretty bad. What up, Angel? What's up? VRM is fire. Yeah, you guys are talking about that quite a bit now. So we'll keep an eye on it. Not doing anything too crazy right now, but I guess it's a there's some momentum behind this right now. VRM. So we may have to do some future TA on this. Did MicroStrategy went down $125 a couple of weeks ago? I think so. That went down to 134, not 125, but pretty close there. Still pretty sick. All right, crypto. So here's crypto. That is down 1.62% today. So also slightly bearish. Nothing too crazy going on. Could have been a lot worse. Let's check it out. Trending, we got BitBook, Sheeb, and Terra Classic. I don't know why Terra Classic is so popular today. And yeah, let's check out the actual crypto. So Bitcoin down 1.5%, back to 21K. ETH down 1.8%, 20 at 1,200. Binance down 1.4. XRP down 3%. Cardano down 2.5. Solana down 5. Doge sideways. Hitting some lag here. Sheep down 3.5. Tron up 5%. Avalanche down 4.5. Polygon down 9. Litecoin down 4. A lot of red here. FTX 2. Chronos 1.6. Yeah, let's sort. But I see a whole bunch of red here. I don't think price action was too bad, though. You missed top gainer? Yeah, but they don't show it anymore, so whatever. What is this? Highlights? Can I turn this off? Alright. Let's see here. See, on the green side, not much here. 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, so we got a whole 7 coins in the green here. We'll be generous and call it 10. So yeah, we'll call it 10% of the coins in the green today, 90% in the red. And don't see too many value coins here. It's mostly growth and not too much price action. So biggest gainer Chili's and Stacks. Biggest value gainer is Tron. Only one really. 5%. So yeah, not much in the green. Not much in the green. Only thing really moving it is Tron, maybe ApeCoin. And on the red side, 90% of the coins in the red. Price action isn't too bad. Biggest loser is XDC, 10%. And then everything after that is single digits. And mostly, actually there's a good amount of value here too. There's Polygon, Uniswap, Chainlink, Monero. So honestly, it's probably worse than the market cap would suggest. It says down 1.62%, but kind of seems a little worse than that. But yeah, overall, pretty bearish day in crypto. Well, slightly bearish day in crypto. Not good. Could have been worse though. So, yep. Bearish day in both crypto and stock markets. But it wasn't anything too terrible. So, I'll take it. Definitely not complaining. So, not the greatest way to start the week, but hopefully we can bounce back here pretty soon, tomorrow. All right. So, yeah, there's the stock market and crypto, guys. Let's get on to some news now. KZR to the moon? Why does that sound so familiar? What is KZR? That sounds so familiar. What is that? Why is CoinMarketCap lagging so hard right now? KZR says no results. Is that a stock? Why does that sound so familiar? Alright, guys, let me get to the articles now. 1 second. Dogecoin found button is 5 cents. Don't forget my link. Yeah, I got you, dude. What up, 1010? What's up, what's up, what's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up, 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 what's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you, as always. Hope everyone had a great weekend. Yeah, you too. Hope you did as well, 1010. And hope your week is starting out okay as well. It's a biotech going nuts after hours. Is that also a baby deletion play? Kaiser Life Sciences. Wow. This is going pretty nuts, huh? Gap fill incoming? No, it's not a baby deletion play. But they had some news here. Looks like a pretty easy short to me. I don't know. It's up like 100%. And looks like it's bull flagging as well. Okay. Well, yeah, not financial advice, guys, but looks like a pretty easy short to me here. KZR. So shout out to you, Zach. I had a great start to the week with my AMC shares. Yeah, apes are still diamond handing. Apes still strong. Still trying to squeeze it. Alright, 1 second. News time. So I got 2 here myself, and looks like we got some stuff from Low Roller. One second, guys. Let me pull up these links. You got a lot of stuff for us, Low Roller. Alright. Cool, so we'll give this 1 second to finish the loading, and we'll get started with the news here. Gonna take a quick drink while this loads up. Okay. So, still loading, but I think we'll get started anyway here. Lag's not too bad. Take the shot of tequila and continues video. Yeah, I wish. No, I'm kind of a lightweight. I don't really drink like that, but I do like me some devil's lettuce, some 420 if you know what I mean. But yeah, that's definitely not allowed on stream. All right, guys. So today I got 2 articles, and looks like Low Roller has a bunch of other articles for us. But I got articles about Robinhood, FTX, and 3 Arrows Capital, and we got some surprises for us from Low Roller. Let's do it. So, Robinhood shares jump 14% on report FTX may be exploring a deal. So, no summary here. But, yeah, FTX did take a stake last month. It says 7.6% stake. I thought it was more than that. But, yeah, it was only 7.6%. And now it may be an even higher stake. Robinhood's not doing too well right now. FTX is rich. And they do want to get into regular stock trading as well, not just crypto. So, I don't know. Maybe we're going to have FTX Robinhood. Seems more and more realistic every single day. So, yeah, no confirmation just yet, just speculation, but looks like FTX may put in even more money in Robinhood. Kind of makes Robinhood bullish, not really. Like kind of. I still don't trust it. Yeah, FTX doing its thing right now. I think we got a Robinhood YOLO coming up after the TA2. Did FTX want to buy BlockFi too? I think they bought a stake. I think they bought like 250 million or something. But they have a stake in a lot of crypto firms and exchanges. All right, and second article here. So this is a update from what we've been covering last week on 3 Arrows Capital. So yeah, they officially defaulted today. So one of the most prominent crypto hedge funds just defaulted on a $670 million loan. And yeah, Voyager confirmed they couldn't pay back $350 million in USDC and $323 million in Bitcoin. So yeah, last week we were reading they're in danger of getting of defaulting, and now they have officially defaulted. So, yeah, Three Arrows not doing too good. Voyager not doing too good. Crypto not doing too good in general. Everyone's getting liquidated. So, yeah, just an update from last week. Three Arrows is officially defaulted. Has officially defaulted. Might grab some AMC put Yolos. 13 puts are 77. Those puts are for next week. Not too bad. Little on the expensive side to me, but that's probably IV is probably high right now after today. So makes sense logically, you know, after it went up so much today. Good chance it goes back down. So good luck to you, 1010. Keep us updated. What's up, Lazy Viet Smoker? Ken, what's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here. Appreciate you, as always. Hood go? Well, Hood go from where? From the all-time high, yeah. But today it did really good. Crypto Maniac says VRM AMC. Yeah, apes are strong here today. How y'all? Market is crap. Yeah, today it wasn't too bad. Well, it was bad, but not too bad. Could have been worse. But I'm good, dude. Hope you had a great weekend. Back to the articles here. What's this? Burger King employee in Las Vegas gets $150K in donations after viral video. From what? He worked 27 years at Burger King. They got him a reusable tumbler, pens, and some candy. Wow. She shows to the Kroger guy. If you put in 27 years without complaining, you get 150 mil or 150,000. Well, why they do him dirty like that? They got him a reusable tumbler, pens, and candy. So yeah, this guy deserves it. Sounds like a hardworking guy. So shout out to him. 150K. Put in hard work at Burger King. Let's go in the after hours. We'll check it out in a second here. Buy the rumor, sell the news. Seems like it. Morgan Creek is trying to counter FTX's BlockFi bailout. Leaked call shows. Yeah, so FTX tried to put in 250 mil in BlockFi. So they're trying to hostile take over BlockFi. Wouldn't doubt it. Yeah, so it looks like some internal fighting going on in BlockFi right now. Yeah, FTX is taking over everything. They've been Binance and Coinbase and Crypto.com taking over everything. $600 million Doge sent to Robinhood anonymously. Yeah, I did see this. Did they sell it? I don't know if they sold it, but yeah, Doge is getting moved around. And Doge is mooning. Has been mooning this weekend. Yeah, 600 million Doge. Whales, unusual whale alert. Whale activity going on here. Interesting. What's this? Dogecoin gaining popularity for illegal activities. Yeah, I did see this. Like terrorism and some other stuff. Ponzi schemes. Child stuff. Yeah, so I did read this. But it's not just Dogecoin, it's everything. Probably Monero and Litecoin a lot more than Doge. But yeah, that's the one, the downfall of crypto. Bad thing. You could do illegal things with it. Jasmine, 0.009. So it's a tenth of a cent now. Not even 1 cent. Solana's biggest DeFi lender almost got wrecked. Then Binance stepped in. Yeah, so it seems like all these exchanges, the big ones at least, are just consolidating right now. They're just buying up all these distressed other exchanges, smaller exchanges, and they're just getting bigger and bigger. So yeah, Binance, FTX going crazy right now. Solend, yeah, that's the Solana coin. I'm not gonna read all that, but yeah. So FTX doing BlockFi, and Solana and Binance trying to get into Solana right now. Solend. So yeah, we're seeing monopolies being built right in front of our eyes here. And last one, Goldman Sachs said looking to raise $2 billion to buy Celsius Network. Yeah, I think we went over this last week. So yeah, even hedge funds and stuff making some big moves to get into the crypto space. So imagine Celsius by Goldman Sachs, that'd be crazy. Probably gonna happen too. And they're gonna get bought by FTX. Watch. All right, so good stuff. Thanks for that, low roller. So there's all the articles for today, guys. Nothing too crazy, but yeah, Robinhood news, 3 Arrows update, and some other minor news. And yep, let's get on to the TA today. 1 second. All right, we're at 9 viewers, 13 likes now. Appreciate everyone.
I appreciate you.
Let me get another one.
Another one. Another one.
All right. What are we doing now? So let's look at Robinhood real quick, and then TA, EVFM. Yeah, this is pulling back quite a bit. It's at 870 now, aftermarket. So yeah, probably buy the rumors on the news. So yeah, FTX, it is more legitimate with FTX taking a bigger stake, but I still don't trust it. I will never, ever trust Robinhood. Okay. EVFM. Kroger guy can't last a few months at his job. Yep, totally his fault. And I already forgot what that article was about, but all right, let's do it. Yeah, one of those articles you sent me was very relevant to the Kroger guy. But yeah, I don't know. Maybe he'll his YouTube is gonna work out if he complains enough. He'll get enough followers. Enough of him. Let's get on to EVFM here. So yeah, today, guys, we're doing pretty good on time. It's 4:53, so almost an hour in. And yeah, we're only gonna do EVFM, and then we'll finish up with the Yolos. So maybe we'll get done here by 5:30. We should get done here by 5:30. We'll see. I don't think there were too many Yolos today. Burger King employee article. Yeah, that's right. If he works hard enough, if he stays at one job and works hard enough, he might get a 150K surprise gift sometime. But he ain't that loyal. All right, guys. So only stock today, EVFM. Shouldn't take too long. And then YOLO time. So let's do it. Drink first. All right. Cool. All good. Lagging a little, but whatever. Let's do it. All right, let's do it, guys. So here is EVFM Evofem Biosciences. This finishes at $1.07 today. That is up 187.71%. Oh, a little bit of lag there. Let's try that one more time. I don't know why I'm hitting some lag here. Alright, should be good now. Yeah, try it again later. One more time. Why is it lagging so much? Alright, good enough. So this stock is definitely short squeezing here. And it really came out of nowhere. Never heard of it, but it did make top 10 on StockTwits today. Had over 3,500 mentions, so it is worth analyzing today. So there wasn't any company-specific news to justify this price action. However, there was the general news of Roe v. Wade being overturned last week, which really had an effect on the stock today. So let's check that out. So it says the company manufactures the contraceptive Phexi. So it seems like the market is assuming that since you can no longer get abortions, I'm walking a fine line here. I don't know if I'm going to get flagged, but whatever. So it seems like the market thinks that since you're no longer going to be able to get abortions in certain states, more people are going to buy contraceptives instead. So a few companies in the biotech space who make contraceptives are mooning today, and this is one of them. And yeah, this is a pretty low float stock, so didn't take that much effort to squeeze this. Just needed a little bit of momentum, some volume, and it was off to the races. But yeah, let's jump right in. Let's go ahead and analyze here. So first of all, this is a cup and handle in the making. Bottom of the cup being the low of 3 cents. And there can be multiple possible tops. It can be 240, 350, 455, 555, 620, or 805. And longer term, this is part of an even bigger cup and handle. Where the top can be 83. $103, $108, or even the high of $112. But those are all bullish indicators. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to one of those tops to complete the cup. Let's see. If Kyrie Irving signs middle exceptions contract in Lakers, will they keep Westbrook the same time since Irving only got $6 million? Yeah, they can. I just don't really think that's gonna work, but that is a possibility. Yes. Is it morally ambiguous for me to invest in this stock? Hey, to me, if it makes money, it makes money. You know, this ESG, this social investing stuff. I never really cared for it. You know, you can have morals, whatever you want, but at the end of the day, market doesn't care about your morals. So, you know, if you want to do socially aware investing and all that stuff, go ahead. But to me, you know, kind of just prevents you from making more money in the end. Just my opinion, though. What up, Punk Skater? What's up? Fellas, y'all think FTX gonna buy out Hood? Yeah, we just went over that. So, good chance it does. No confirmation yet. It already bought out, 7.5%, so... I think over time they're gonna slowly buy more and more stake and eventually take it over. Can Robinhood reject after FTX? They can, but they're not going to, because they need cash, I think. I don't think FTX is going to buy Hood, or if they do, it'll be $5 or $6 a share. Yeah, they're scooping it now for the low, you know. So, yeah, I think they're going to accumulate over time, and then before you know it, they're going to own like 50% of it. FTX should buy Webull? Yeah, that's another way they could go. They're buying a lot of stuff, buying a lot of exchanges. Socially aware investing, haha, that is funny. No, it's a real thing. So... if it makes money, it makes money. Ty, financial advisor, not financial advice. Yeah, that is not financial advice. You know, you guys can invest your own money however you want. If you want to be socially aware, go ahead. But I don't know. It doesn't really seem to work in this industry. So don't feel too bad if you don't invest in green stuff and stuff like this. Just my opinion, though. Not financial advice. You're good, Punk Skater. All right. Back to this. And then we have a quadruple gap down. First gap down back at 970. So that is a bullish indicator. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to 970 to fill that gap. It's actually a triple gap down, my bad, not quadruple. Because this one got filled. Yeah. So we have a triple gap down. First gap down at 970. Second gap down is back at 225. So another bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back up to 225 to fill that gap. And third gap down is at 150. So another bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back up to 150 to fill that gap. And we did have another gap down at $1, but that did get filled today. And then we have a gap up at 50 cents created today. So that is a bearish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back down to 50 cents to fill that gap. Triangle. And here we do have a descending triangle forming. Right now, this looks like it's consolidating between 125 and 3 cents. So there's a bit more consolidation to go. But this should consolidate somewhere around 65 cents. And then according to this descending triangle, it should break out to the downside. So the descending triangle is a bearish indicator. And in the aftermarket here, this is running up to 115. So if this aftermarket action holds, that would be a bullish indicator for tomorrow. That is suggesting that tomorrow this stock will continue to run to the upside. I think we got everything. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. Meta was more chopped today than a karate class. I didn't see how it did. I think it's in the red, right? But a nice one, dude. All right. So I guess we'll go to 5 here, because that's all I really did. So right now, this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 115 and $1. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 115, 135, 240, 260, 275, 285, $3, 320, 330, 350, 360, 385, 405, 425, 440, 455, and then 510. There is resistance above 510, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be $1, 50 cents, $0.40, 35 cents, and then the low of 28. Oops. Of course, here comes the siren too. Never fails, never fails. 1 second, guys. Gonna mute. My apologies. I think this was the first siren of the day, too, so we're doing pretty good on that. Alright, back to this. 35 cents, and then the low of 28 cents. So right now, with the current price, 107. The channels to the upside and the downside are very wide, so expect significant price action either way this goes. However, if/when this breaks 240 to the upside, the channels start to narrow, so expect a significant decrease in price action if/when this breaks 240. And then to the downside if slash when this breaks 50 cents, the channel starts to narrow. So expect a significant decrease in price action if slash when this breaks 50 cents to the downside. RSI is currently at 66, so not quite overbought and overvalued, but quickly approaching that, pretty much there. So this could be a good buying opportunity, not financial advice. And this did 490 million in volume today. Biggest volume day of the year. Way above the average of 2 million. So this pump slash squeeze today was confirmed by the volume. Okay, guys, just my opinion, not financial advice. So I'm not even really sure why this is squeezing in the first place. I mean, obviously it's because of Roe v. Wade being overturned. But it's just pretty funny to me how overturning that law caused a whole wave of investors to come in and start buying contraceptive stocks. But here we are. And yeah, this is definitely short squeezing. And looks like it's not done just yet. A lot of retail momentum. Ape strong here. So, 1, 2, 3. So in the short term, it's a little difficult to tell which way this is going to go because we do have an equal amount of bullish and bearish indicators. Again, we have bullish indicators in the cup and handle, triple gap down, and aftermarket action. And we have bearish indicators in the gap up, descending triangle, and high RSI. So hard to tell where it's going to go in the short term, but longer term it does look pretty bullish due to all of these gap downs. So I think in the short term, this has a bit more upside to go. Looks like it's not done squeezing just yet. A lot of aftermarket action. Strong momentum. Volume is not coming down just yet. But as with every short squeeze, it's going to have to come crashing down. Just a matter of when, not if. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice. Personally, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. Not saying you can't make money. Not saying it won't keep going up. But I think you missed a lot of upside already. Almost 190% today. And while this still appears like it has more upside potential, you really can't expect too much more. I think going along here would be FOMO at this point. And good chance you get burned. So the current price of 107 is really not a good entry. Not quite overbought and overvalued, but pretty much there. Um, and again, there is the gap down. And again, there is a gap down at. Excuse me, guys. Very stuffy today. And again, there is a gap down at. 1 second, gotta take a drink here. I'll throw my water too. My beverage. All right, let's try to finish up here. My allergy is going crazy. And again, there is a gap down at 50 cents, and that should fill in the short term. So this should come back down to 50 cents very soon, pretty soon. And I think that would be a much better entry than the current price, 107. So I don't like the current entry of 107, but I can support going long at 50 cents and lower, and if it pulls back, then you can just average down at the supports that I mentioned before. And let's see here. And once again, this should eventually come back up to 970 to fill the gap there. $18.5. $1,850, really? And yeah, this should eventually come back up to 970 eventually to fill the gap. So from the current price, 107. Up to 970. That would be so from the current price 107 down to 50 cents where the gap is. That would be over a 50% downside. But from the current price 107 up to 970 where the other gap is, that would be over an 800% upside. So going along at the current price would be a high risk, a very high reward play. It's worth a shot if you're willing to hold this for the longer term. But a little too much risk involved for my liking. So personally, I would hold off and try to get this back at 50 cents where the gap is. And from 50 cents up to 970, that would be over an 1,850% upside. So I would say going long at 50 cents would be a low risk, very high reward play. And I think that would be an excellent entry. So if you want to go long at the current price, I don't think it's the greatest entry. Somewhat of a gamble. So if you want to go long, please do that at your own risk. But I think personally going long at 50 cents would be a much better play. Not much to lose, a lot of upside potential, and not too much downside potential. So I can't support that. this should keep running to the upside in the next few days. But it's pretty much a game of hot potato at this point. Again, this will come crashing down, just a matter of when, not if. So be careful, guys. Make sure you hit the sell button, secure the gains, don't get too greedy. Now, if you want to go short now, financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that just yet, at least. I think at the current price, 107, that's already a pretty good entry on the short side. But again, it appears like the squeeze is not over just yet. Looks like there's a bit more upside to go. So yeah, 107 not a bad entry. So 107 not a bad entry on the short side, but if you're a little patient here, give it maybe a couple of days, you should be able to get a much better entry. And again, this should fill the gap at 50 cents. And that is a lot of downside potential. So I can't support going long. So I can't support going short at the current price, 107. Already a really good entry. 107 and higher, already a really good entry. But personally, I would give it another day or two, and and try to get an even better entry. And again, from the current price 107 down to 50 cents, that's already over a 50% downside, and you should be able to make even more if you get a better entry. So at least 50% downside potential here. You can probably do better than that, though. So I would say going short at the current price, 107 would be a high risk, high reward play. Again, because it appears like the squeeze is not done just yet. So there may be some more upside pressure. But I think if you're able to catch this at the top in the next few days, but I think if you're able to short this down at the top in the next few days, wherever that may be, this would then become a low risk, high reward play. So going short appears to be a pretty good play already. But if you give it a little time here, you should be able to make even more tendies to the downside here. So pretty straightforward, guys. It seems like the overturning of Roe v. Wade has the market speculating about contraceptive pills. This stock is short squeezing right now. A lot of retail momentum. A little difficult to tell where this is going to go in the short term, but it looks like the squeeze is not done just yet. So it appears like there's a bit more upside to go before this comes crashing down. And long term, it looks pretty good. And long term, it does look pretty bullish. And here we got another siren. Ever since Facebook changed the meta, there's been less liquidity and it's been more volatile. Really? I haven't really noticed. Shouldn't really be, though, because the stock price didn't change. That's kind of weird. I wonder if this stock went up in price when Texas passed its heartbeat bill. Did that just go through or what? No, this started going up. Did it go up on Friday or today? Started going up on Friday, actually. Oh no, started going up today. Interesting. I don't know. Really don't know. I'm not too familiar with that Texas bill. But I wouldn't be surprised. Okay. Back to this. After this siren passes. Alright, back to this. So, if you want to go long, you missed a lot of upside already. I don't think it's the greatest idea at this point. But there is still more upside potential to go. So, high risk, high reward. If you guys want to gamble, please do that at your own risk. But personally, I think trying to get this back at 50 cents would be a much better would be better for going long. And if you are able to get this back at 50 cents, that is a lot of upside that is a huge amount of upside that is a huge amount of upside potential in the longer term. And if you want to go short, it already is a pretty good entry. But like I said, this is still in the middle of a short squeeze and should keep going to the upside in the next few days, in the next few trading sessions. So if you hold off here, give it a little bit of time, you should be able to enter at a much better entry. Not sure how high it's going to go, but you want to try to get this, but you want to try to short this down at the top. And there is a lot of money to be made here on the downside. I would cover at 50 cents where the gap is. And that should be some really, really fat tendies. So there are opportunities to make money on both sides here. Bulls make money, bears make money, pigs get slaughtered. So congratulations to everyone who made money in stock today. Consider taking profits if you're up, not financial advice. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is EVFM Evofem Biosciences. Alright, so that took a bit longer than I expected. Well, that's cool. It's going to gap up again tomorrow. Wow. Alright, so yeah, that took a little longer than I expected, but we're over that. And let's get on to the Yolos now. What up, Finno? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Sorry, I was looking at my phone for a second. What's your question? Can you look at IMPP? It was a restriction on this stuff passed in August last year, and the stock was up for 3 weeks afterwards. I didn't know that. I mean, it definitely sounds like it would go up because of an event like that. But yeah, I'm not too familiar with, baby deletion stocks. Not my area of expertise. Waiting to get out at 60 cents unless it breaks the gap down. IMPP. Sure. So yeah, that's all the TA for today, guys. So we just got the Yolos left. If you guys have anything else, questions, comments, concerns, charts, anything, put it in the chat right now. We'll get to that. Otherwise, we're just chilling here for the rest of the show. So you're looking to get out at 60 unless it breaks the gap down. Don't really see a gap here, unless you're talking about this one. Way back at 470. I don't think you are, though. Yeah, it looks like it's holding pretty strong at 48. Critical support there. Looks like it wants to reverse pretty soon. May hit some resistance at 56. But yeah, if this breaks 56, you should be able to get 60 pretty easily. So, yeah, I just hold it for now. I don't think it's going to go lower than 48. So you should be able to get 60. Just hold. Just diamond hands and set your sell orders, I would say. Not financial advice. So, yeah, you should be able to get there pretty easily, dude. Just hang in there. Just diamond hands. Patience. AMC rallied, but GME went down. Yeah, it was kind of weird. I really don't know why. Maybe Top Gun? I think Top Gun pulled in $1 billion. Yeah, I don't know what's going on there with AMC and GME. Kind of weird. Does AMC have any gaps left? I don't think so. Maybe on the 3-year. Oh, I typed in gap. No, it does not. No, it does not. Not in the 1-year, at least. Can't see it. And not in the 3-year. So I'm going to say no. Probably does somewhere, but not that I can see. So I'm going to go with a no on that one. Wait, let me see real quick. Maybe I'm tripping about the gap. Yeah, I didn't see one. Not on the 1 day one. Not on the 1 day chart. The only gap I see is the gap down at 470. Unless I'm missing one. Alright, guys, let's get on to the Yolos. Please smash that like button if you haven't yet. Let me check YouTube here real quick. We're at 11 viewers, 15 likes. So, even more viewers. I thought people dipped, actually, because, you know, during the TA is the boring part, and people start leaving. But 11 viewers, 15 likes. A lot of people in here. Appreciate everyone.
I appreciate you. You loyal.
Great show so far. Not done yet. Please smash the like button if you haven't yet, guys. And let's get on to the Yolos. Give me 1 second to pull it up. What up, Olsen? What's up, what's up, what's up? Were you here before? I don't think you were. No, I think you just came in. So yeah, what's up, Olsen? What's up, what's up, what's up, dude? Did you get your action today? What's going on, Mullen Bloodbath? Yeah, well, I can't say for sure, but it seems like, you know, the rebalance is over. The Russell rebalance, 2 and 3,000s, and it looks like shorts are finally coming in here. So yeah, I could have told you that was going to happen. So just shorts taking advantage of the rebalancing, mandatory rebalancing, and some guy was arguing with me over the weekend in my comments about apparently I'm smoking crack because Mullen's going to moon this week. Because there's 2 catalysts coming up, and I'm like, bruh. Oh, I just skipped it. I'm like, bruh.
Bruh.
Ever heard of Sell the News? Obviously not. Uh-oh, what's going on with Reddit? Alright, so it looks like Reddit's a little messed up today, but it's still working. Why no one is squeezing Mullen? I mean, technically, you still can. It's just, it's losing momentum. Before, when it did squeeze, it was getting like 10 to 20,000 mentions a day. Now it's getting like 2,000, so no more momentum left. Retail is running out of ammo. Seems like it, at least. Alright, guys, so today should be fun. Only got 6 Yolos, a lot of memes, and lost corn and gained corn should be fun. Reddit seems to be kind of down at the moment, but I think it doesn't really matter. Shouldn't at least. Let's do it. So this first one is by To Their Canvas, 249. I just feel sorry for his girls. So this is Jim Cramer meme. He looks kind of skinny. I don't know. He doesn't look this, looks a little fatter live, but okay. Jim Cramer, I teach my kids about money by not giving them any. Says the $180 million man, right? We did see last week. This guy's worth 180 mil. Damn, I need a haircut. Yeah, that is needed. So, I don't think this is really true. You know, these are like the rich parents that make their kids work. I would be like that. You know, if my kid asked me for money, I'd be like, go get a job at Wendy's. Gotta work for it. And then I'd, like, give them more than they actually make. But, now I was looking at, are these his daughters? because this one looks a little older and kind of manly, to be honest. Nice dress, though. But this looks like it could be his wife or his daughter. I don't know. He's rich. I would think this is his wife because she don't look that young. But he's pretty old, right? So his kids must be like 30 or 40. I don't know. But I think these are his kids. So I'm going to pass on this one over here. But I like this one. I approve of this one. What's our OnlyFans? Give her to the money. Make it rain on her. So yeah, you know, we clown Kramer here a lot, but shout out to Kramer. Got a pretty good looking daughter there. I approve. Good stuff. I give them nothing, no food, no clothes. I give them absolutely nothing so they can learn about money. Yeah, it just doesn't really work the same, you know, when you try to teach your kids about hard work, but then they don't really know because they didn't really have to go through it. They go through like fake hard work. But yeah, it's a bit difficult to, you know, raise your kids the right way when they're so spoiled. But yeah, the good stuff here. Shout out to Jim Kramer. Yeah, calls on the girl on the right. Yes, that's Kramer's daughter. Calls on Kramer's hot daughter. Puts on the unattractive one. All right, next one by Profit. AMD on a Times Square billboard last night. So we're not going to read all this DD whatever. All I need to hear is AMD to the moon. Oops. I'm totally kidding. Do your own DD, guys, but this is pretty cool. So, used to be AMC billboard. I remember that. It used to be a GME and AMC billboard. And a Dog Elon Mars billboard. I haven't seen this one, AMD. I don't really go to Times Square that much, but I don't know why. I've never seen AMD billboard. So, some apes must be really desperate for some pumping right now. But pretty cool stuff. So, yeah, I've seen AMC, GME, and Dog Elon Mars. Never AMD. And, you know, AMD is more legit, so shout out to that guy. Whoever. I wonder how much that cost to put this billboard up. Must cost like $50,000. I don't know. So did this guy actually make money? I don't know. Cool stuff though. All right, by Stretch My. You guys can read it for yourself. This show is like definitely rated R today. Definitely getting flagged by YouTube. I'm getting crushed and no idea what to do. So confused how today is green. All right, let's check it out. So I got SPY, Yolos here. 390 strike. Put. 390 put. 45 of them. 45 contracts expiring July 15th. July 15th, 390 put. Let's check it out. So, about 2.5 weeks to go. Okay. I mean, it's a bit risky, I'm not gonna lie, because there's gaps everywhere. But there's a good chance this does come back down to a 380 to fill the gap. So this can work out. I just don't really know if it will. So high risk, high reward stuff here. What is delta on that? Let's see. July 15th. $390 put. 50. So yeah, it's literally a coin flip at the moment. 50-50 chance. So, yeah, guys. So you should probably not YOLO 45K on a coin flip unless you really got it like that. I don't know who does. So yeah, 44K coin flip. 2.5 weeks to go. Hope it works out. This can go either way. High risk, high reward. Wendy's or Tendies? Tendies or Wendy's? Which one? So, I have a good feeling we're going to come back and this guy's going to be down 45K. But, hey. So, stretch my whatever. Thanks for posting. Good luck to you. This is insanely risky. Don't really recommend anyone do this. But, hey, if it pays off, you're going to be printing. And if it doesn't, well, then you're going to be at Wendy's. So, yeah, Tendies or Wendy's. Yeah, dude. Good luck. Hope it works out for you. Good stuff here. Good stuff. Either way, you're a legend. But yeah, whatever happens, please post updates. Want to see what happens. Good luck to you, dude. Kramer suck. Where Ty Dev? Anyone got some? Not yet. BBG Raw Coco yet? Yeah, what has Raw Coco been saying lately? Very bullish. MACD about a cross on the hot daughter. Absolutely. Alright, this is by Slower Typer. Has a tag here. Effin' in the hood. YOLO on Robinhood. Alright, so we got Robinhood FDs here. Expiring July 1st. So that's Friday, I think. $8.50 strike and $9 strike. 900 calls for the $8.50 strike. 580 calls, 580 calls for the 9 strike.
Bruh.
So, yeah, this was a 21K YOLO. 21K YOLO. And right now it's down 2.4K. This was 3 days ago. Hold up. This was 3 days ago. This is in the money. This is in the money. Wow. And actually, in the aftermarket, it went up. No, it's going down. My bad, it's going down. So, yeah, this is actually in the money. Holy crap. So I think he got a little lucky here. I don't think he was planning on the big jump today, but yeah, you know what? He should have sold already. If he didn't sell first thing in the morning. If he didn't already sell first thing in the morning. Probably worth a lot of money now. Don't know what it's worth. Probably worth a lot of money. So, got lucky. Super FD got really lucky. Dude, just sell it in the morning if you haven't already. Or a good chance it's going to go to zero. But yeah, don't do this, guys. Super FD. Very entertaining. Highly risky. So, Slower Typer. Thanks for posting. Good luck to you. It's already in the money. You got lucky. Hit the sell button. But hey, if you don't, no matter what, please post updates. Want to see how this goes. But yeah, you should probably most definitely hit the sell button tomorrow morning if you haven't already. Alright, this is by ND Sire. Thought it was Insider, but it's ND Seer. 20K total in Nike puts. Oh boy, so we got July 8th, 105 strike Nike puts. 80 of them. 20K. Let's see what's going on with Nike. So they had earnings. Earnings not really doing anything. So what does this play? 105 Nike. So got about 2 weeks to go here. Yeah, I don't know about this one. This one can work. This one can work. Kind of risky, though. Kind of risky. That is the yearly low. I don't know if this one's going to work. Possible, but I don't know. This one's pretty close. July 8th, 105 put. So this one's 31%. So, yeah, good chance this does not... Whoop. My bad. So, good chance that does not work. So, yeah, we'll see what happens, but 20K might be gone here. So, yeah, super risky, super FD. Don't do this, guys. This guy's in trouble, but still highly entertaining. So, yep. Seer. Thanks for listening. Very risky, crazy stuff. Hope it works out. Maybe consider cutting, because I don't think it's going to work, but yep, no matter what happens, please post updates. Want to see how this goes. And last one by Prometheus. The Rainbow Bear account looking good. So we see here. Open these photos. Yeah, we don't need to see all that, but he has puts for Match, Coinbase, SPY, Microsoft. So yeah, so a lot of rainbow bearing, a lot of rainbow FDing. Yeah, this guy's up 50K, 97% in the past year, and he's at 102K overall, so good stuff. So yeah, shout out to the Rainbow Bears. This guy's raking it in a bloodbath. So good stuff, good stuff. So yeah, a lot of YOLOs. Kind of nervous for those YOLO guys, but this guy did good. Damn, those hood calls were 7 cents. Holy poop, I really hope he hits the sell button ASAP. Yeah, that would be the logical, smart thing to do. You know, like, just barely in the money. Anything can happen in the next couple of days, so I don't know why you'd risk it at this point. They must be worth a lot of money and can't get too greedy. But, alright guys, so that is the show for today. So, yeah, good stuff, good stuff. It is 5:47, so we went a little longer than expected. I thought we'd finish at 5:30, but that's right. We covered a lot of stuff. A lot of articles. TA took longer than expected, and good amount of YOLOs too. So, yeah, finished a little late here today, but still pretty good time. And yeah, really good show, really good show. So, started a little slow, but a lot of people came in towards the end and in the middle here. So appreciate everyone, all the regulars, all the new people, and all the lurkers. Shout out to everyone. Appreciate everyone.
I appreciate you. You loyal.
And yeah, that's all I got. Not too much to talk about today, but maybe this EVFM video will do really well. And yeah, that's all I got for today, guys. So yeah, not a great start to the week, but hopefully we turn around here. Not terrible though. But yeah, anything else? Questions, comments, concerns? Put it in the chat right now. Otherwise, we out of here. EVFM still pumping? What's it at now? It's at 127. Yeah, it's still pumping. Probably going to gap up again tomorrow. So yeah, these baby deletion plays. It's where it's at right now. So make sure you guys jump in. Get your baby deletion stock. Not financial advice. Totally kidding. Not really, half kidding. So it's the baby deletion squeeze. 200%. Yeah, it went from 50 cents today to 127. So yeah, a lot of upside here. Crazy, crazy stuff. All right. So let me just check YouTube one more time before we get out of here. But I think that's it. No one's saying anything, so I don't think anyone has any other questions. 7 viewers, 17 likes. So Yeah, thanks for the show, guys. Great show. Very successful. A lot of people. Anything else? Anything else? Going once. Going twice. Alright, I think that's it. Lagging a little bit here, but whatever. Alright, let's get out of here. Cool. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please, like the video. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. You apes already know, diamond hands to the moon. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.